In today's tutorial, we're going to show you how you can export a video as a transparent video in Adobe Premiere Pro completely for free. If you want to see more, drop a like, comment down below, share, and subscribe to the channel. If you want to learn how I create content online and save hundreds of hours per year, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and enjoy the tutorial. Okay, so assuming you have your video clip loaded on Adobe Premiere Pro CC's timeline, you want to click Ctrl+M on your keyboard, and this will bring up the export settings like so. And you want to change the format by clicking the drop down arrow and scroll all the way down until you see the option QuickTime, which is below the option PNG and above the option Targa. And then under preset, you also want to click down the drop down arrow and click this option where it says GoPro Signform RGB 12-bit. In this case, we're going to do the maximum bit depth because this will make sure we have the best quality possible. And then under video, if you want the highest quality as well, you want to click quality or click this icon and drag it to the right so it's the highest possible quality. You can even click use maximum render quality if it zooms in or zooms out of the video. Save it under the output name and then click Q or export. And just to prove that this works, we have the video right here. Subscribe, like, and share. We'll drag it onto the project bin. We'll drag it onto the timeline. I'm going to add a color matte, drag this above. So now we can see we successfully have a transparent video. Again, if you want to learn how you can save hundreds of hours and money online per year creating content, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and thanks for watching this tutorial.